Hello friends, today's topic is chronic bronchitis. While we learn about chronic bronchitis, it is irreversible condition. Chronic bronchitis is common condition which is clinically defined as cough which is persistent with the expectoration on most of a day for at least 3 months of a year, and this is for consecutive 2 or more year. The predisposing factor for the chronic bronchitis is a heavy smoking. Heavy smoking impairs the ciliary movement. It inhibits the function of alveolar macrophages. It leads to development of hypertrophy and hyperplasia of mucus secreting gland. It also causes considerable obstruction of small airways. It stimulates vagus nerve which lead to develop a constriction of a bronchus. Other is a passive smoking. The people who are exposed to a smoker person may prone to develop a COPD. This is especially hazard to pregnant women and children. The fetus of a pregnant woman may affect with the passive smoking. In the village, the practicing of chulha for the cooking may also develop a chronic bronchitis. Atmospheric pollution. Because of higher industrialization, that high urban areas leak the number of gases in the atmosphere like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and other toxic fumes. Along with that, the traffic pollution from the automobile may also develop a chronic bronchitis. Occupations, especially a cotton mill workers, the fibers of cotton may inhaled by such people may develop a chronic bronchitis. Other is a plastic factories. If the people are working in plastic factories, they may have to develop a chronic bronchitis. Infection is not initiating a chronic bronchitis, but when it is associated with the exaggerating factors like cigarette smoking, it predisposes the acute exacerbation of chronic bronchitis. That bacteria, virus and mycoplasmal infection is associated with the smoking is exaggerated the acute symptoms of chronic bronchitis. Familiar or genetic factors. There is no such a familial history of chronic bronchitis or genetic history in the chronic bronchitis. But if there is a air pollution of home and the person is significantly exposed to smoke like a chula, may prone to develop a chronic bronchitis, or a passive smoking which lead to develop a increased blood level of carbon monoxide that may also develop a chronic bronchitis. Appearance of bronchus is thick and hyperemic and edematous. Lumina of bronchi and bronchioles may contain a mucus plug and purulent exudate. This thickness of submucosal gland, which are hypertrophied and hyperplasic, this increased thickness is seen under the microscope. The bronchial epithelium may shows a squamous metaplasia. There is little chronic inflammatory cell infiltrate. The globulate cell hyperplasia and intraluminal peribronchial fibrosis is seen. What are the clinical features are seen in the chronic bronchitis? According to definition, the persistent cough, which is copious expectoration, the much mucus is there. Recurrent respiratory infection, that is bacterial or viral or mycoplasmal infection, which is associated with the smoking, which may lead to develop recurrent respiratory infection. Second thing is that the dyspnea on exertion. The person is feeling difficulty in breathing on exertion because of inhalation of number of toxic gases and fumes, just like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, which may develop into a cyanosis and edema. The person is look like as a bluish coloration. It's called as blue blotter. Along with the lung, where the primary cause in the lung, which may lead to develop a failure of heart, especially right side of heart. We call it as a cor pulmonale. It's seen in the chronic bronchitis. Digital clubbing is seen over the fingers. If it does an X-ray chest in PA view, there is a cardiomegaly just because of right-sided heart failure. Thank you for watching.